Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Welcome to our FANS Wethu TV. It's the AFCON qualifiers. Bafana 5, Congo 0. I'm joined by Asanda.
Stibo, umnandi.
Fresh.
Ngikrent. Angiqale ngokubongela i-team South Africa. Bafana idlale kahle. Today I think they gave a performance ebengilongiyifuna all this time ukuthi if you are playing with amaklabha amancane just give us some results yabo
bulala
qeda lezi zinto lezi because we are going for izinto ezinkulu ezilokhuzana nation mawuthatha ukubheka ukuthi i-team yethu Bafana it is considered as one of the best nations Africa adlala best quality football yabo so ngiyababongela ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala ngibongela ama players wonke. I think they played very well. I'm talking about the likes of Mukwana, Elias Mukwana. Bengabonakalile ama match ebeswadlala but today ngimbonile ngena.
Yes.
Ngibone Lyle Foster scoring a goal. Bengithi ngizomngenela ukuthi hayibo what kind of a striker is this? But ke just because he scored a goal ngathula ngathi ngizomxolela ngizombona next game. But ke ngimove.
Ngamudla.
Mnyeka awukho manje mnyeka manje because last time I made the interview ngaye ngakutshela mina ngathi hayibo manje Lyle Foster lo mjitha yini awukhona ukwehlisa ibhola ulibambe ushaye noma ama wall passes ukuthi unikeza amanye ama players but today ngimbonile kwazi kwashala ama wall passes every time ibhola amedlalwa kuyi akwazi ukuthapasela abothembazwane. That is why abothembazwane some players adlale kahle this thing ama teams ama nations ezidlala now. I'm talking about le Congo le edlala nayo nalabo abayi2 edlale nawo. Why every time befuna ukattacker ngeside lemudawo? You know umudawo ukuthi umuntu onjani lo umuntu lo wastopper ama world class top class players are Europe are considered as the best Europe but lo muntu okwazi kwastop. I'm talking about Thabo Lukman. I'm talking about this guy I don't know igama lakhe it's Pepe. I don't remember igama lakhe was Cape Verde. Those guys was stop ukhuliso mudawo but still nina igame plan yini nithi sizongena ngaleli side leli you do not use Oprim Diba ngale. Oprim Diba we know ukuthi he's that kind of a player who gives you many things at pitch. Maye kwi pitch uyazi ukuthi he can invert sometimes he can go wide and put those crosses but it does a lot of things and most of the time where she space lapha ngemuva no one to cover for him but still nina anikwazi ukuthi nibone ukuthi let's maybe try to use that side at least put two players lapha go formeke i2v1 yabo at least wazi ukuthi angithi vele ngeke uattack South Africa ngeke uattack ngeke uthole lo ma chances amangaka noma kuthiwa attacker uzama ukudlala ngama wings but at least say ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi ngingene ngale la ka left what if I put two players lapha then bese kusala iwing eyi1 ingasebenzi yabo because sometimes it is a plan yabona lento ama formation most of the time ama coaches now if you take ball ngendlela edlala ngakhona ama player ama formation awasasebenzi i-player iyatshela instruction ukuthi wena do this then ke bese uyadlala usibonisa ukuthi ngasinikeza nama results if the end ayisebenzi then we go to we half time we discuss yabo but ke iyangidida lento ukuthi every time why they try ukuthi bangene ngomudawo. I think they trust ama left wingers abo kakhulu ukuthi they will give a call ka number 11 le ebidayile la eceleni. I think lo muntu belithola ibhola but manje we are faced with Khuliso Mudawo there's nothing we can do. I think batholile lo ma chances especially second half ngibabonile bengena bezama ukudlala compared to first half yabo was very poor leaving ama spaces for ama players amaningi South Bafana ukuthi akwazi ukudlala ngikhuluma ngomkwena good for a coach ukuthi kwazi ukumtshela instruction ukuthi you wena dlala more as a call player to Declan Rice Arsenal uyakwazi ukuthi uyemuva uyakwazi ukuthi uphambili yabo uyadlala box to box you are free ukuthi wenze noma yini oyithandayo lezi awubus good game for him for him check ukuthi le player ikaze yangena yadlaliswa ku national team iqala starting 11 but uthema eqaliswa wakwazi ukuthi angene egamini playing more defensive kodwa wakwazi ukuthi akhave ispace lesi sika Tebogo Mokoena because Tebogo Mokoena that is why phela athole le goal lesibili ubona ukuthi bekuphi uthole assist ku police washala ngene la shaya i-top corner but ke mina namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngo Ronwen Williams yabo ngifuna ukukhuluma ngo Ronwen Williams but ke ngizoqala ngithi Bafana I think it is something a good coach enzile namhlanje ukuthi ayenza ama-subs aphelele wonke yabo because lento leni ibalekile ukuthi singabi nama players awodwa every time esiwaziyo ukuthi sizodlala ngalo sidlale ngalo what if those players get injured yabo same thing yenzeka ngosithole uthema eba injured sabona ukuthi okay we need someone ozodlala. He made an interview uKoko Bruce ukuthi we need a player ezokwazi ukuthi idlale lapha midfield and what Umbatha is the player we want, but today Umbatha bekangekho unfortunately, but kwafaka uBas wakhona ukudlala. So it's those kind of things ukuthi each and every position must have someone esaziyo ukuthi uzokhona ukudlala yabo. Even kuma wings umokwana ngabe the only players odlala right wing. Last time I talked about uMrena ngathi ukuthi the way ball has evolved ayisamvumeli uMrena ukuthi ngoba right footed player akasakhona ukudlala right wing. It's good as a wing back no left back yabo, but yeah a good game bayidlalile. It was a good game, and today Umrena njengoba ngakutshela umfake as a right back ukhipha umdawu wafaka uMrena. The same thing angangisho ukuthi if ukhipha ulo umukwana lapha phambili mele uwazi ukuthi uzofaka player ezokwazi ukudlala i-right wing, udlala i-right wing vele etimini yakhe yabo. But ke ngithe ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoRonwen Williams. I think it is time mele sisho lento. I think that guy deserves to be given African Player of the Year.
He does.
I think mele simnikeza. I think it is time sikhulume lento. I think sesikhulume ngeYashin Trophy le yeBallon d'Or sakhuluma ukuthi he deserves it and stuff, but kunale esingayibhekile African Player of the Year. I think uPesitau is one of our players who has achieved more in South Africa. If you check now, he once won the Player of the Year, but na mangcheck wathi ngibale ngitshengisa ama players which I think I wanna angayini i-Player of the Year eAfrica. I'm talking about Victor Boniface, Osimhen. I'm talking about Lookman, ubani futhi omunye. I think those players, I think lo players oyi-3 bese kuba Ronwen Williams. Those 4 players, if you check the way they achieved last season and so far this season, I think Ronwen Williams has done more than lama players la. Ngiyazi ukuthi they are good players, they are quality players. Even Lookman scored a hat-trick kwi-final Euro Cup, but it is time we say South Africa, South African number 1 goalkeeper. He has done a lot for Mamelodi Sundowns for South Africa. Mokridge, 2018 World Cup, wakwazi ukuthi lead team yakhe to final World Cup. So Ronwen Williams, same thing. Bafana national team, they went to all the way to bronze. They won the bronze. Ngaye ulokhuzana Ronwen Williams. So last games siwadlalile wabona ukuthi we couldn't ukuthi emuva sibe comfortable ngaleyo ndlela, so we were able to concede la goals lawa sawa concede.
Sure.
Because Ronwen Williams was not there. Check ama saves awenzile today. He still gives us lento lesifunayo again ukuthi wena vele we quality goalkeeper, so give us something. He keeps on giving. He keeps on giving. About Victor Boniface, they are scoring, but this season, but they are not doing much as Ronwen Williams is doing. Ronwen Williams, even in Sundowns, lost a semi-final against Stellenbosch. He was not there. Then when he came back, Sundowns business structure and move. Same thing to a national team. We are even if China was seemed like not useless, because you know is someone who was with how to control the back line. Even if it doesn't mistakes, I saw some mistakes when they play those true passes, which we try to find the player there, then but again, even no magunjalo, but defense being freedom, we can go there. No ukuthi simake zonal ukuthi sizoma silinda umuntu eze nebhola, but they go to ibhola, they want ibhola, then they play. Futhi today ngibone taking much shots. I think even outside the box now police ngimbonile zama ukushaya. I think intwana imhlulile ngibone iyaphezulu kakhulu, but taking those shots, I think even a striker uLyle Foster njoba kutshela ngayo ukuthi he was one of our players edlala on pitch abuya aziphansi azodlala as a false 9 noma abuild with the team, while kungena ama players afana nomukwala lapha ngaphambili bezokwazi ukucover ispace sakhe. That's a good game. That's something good engiyibonile ukuthi every time if a player iphuma position angene omunye, even if elasmokwana mayingenile ekhathe in engaphakathi kuzosala olokhuzana Khuliso Mudawu uyakwazi ukucover lesa space angene. Every time Khuliso Mudawu mayifika phambili, though we have so ukuthi he's not the kind of a player ekwazi ukuthi convert those chances. But it was a good game,
Yes.
especially for the mini players today. Even abo Relebohole Mfokeng. Now they are trying the same thing. Abe bezama police. Ukuthi bezama close down by main mark. Every time there's intona lezi nzama ukucima. If ucima a police ungamnikeza isikhala, then uyazi ukuthi uElas Mokwane ukhona. That is what we need. Yabo, because yabona phela ibhola it's something. That is what South African coaches are failing. Ukuthi abakwazi ukuthi babone ukuthi okay leli set lela sebenzi, so I'm going to half time. How can I score kule game elandelayo yabo? But we were introduced to a coach efana no Jose Rivero. Jose Rivero can read the game and say okay little side le nalento la isebenzi, so let me try le tactic, then it works for him. So ile nto le ezidinga ukuthi okay if you see ukuthi a police is closed down, then play amabhola ka right yabo, because he is that kind of a coach. I think it's style of play adlala ngaso uHogo Bros ukuthi if you touch ibhola go to ama wings. So if you see a police those assista awenzile beqhamuka from inside lakhe, then akwazi ukuthi score. Even namakhona uyabona ikhona mayizoshawa athola ama players asuke engaqondene nepali. If ucheck le yakhona ya Mkwena bengaza ukuthi uyaphuma eboxini but akwazi ukuthi score. So it's something kanjalo ukuthi si attack ngama side most of the time, not actually la ngaphakathi, ngoba kunama players afana nabo Thembazwane naye bekwazi ukuthi aze more ngapha ka right azosiza yabo ukuthi actually lento ama wings is working for us, but I think coach naye imeli ikwazi ukuthi ibanikeza ama players amanye ama players ukuthi abakwazi ukudlala ukuthi maphumo a police maphumo Mfokeng, if Mfokeng abadlali then obani abazodlala yabo. Give more of ama players who has potential to play ku national team. I think there's this player Cupido he made a statement ukuthi he still lento lene iyamudla ngaphakathi ukuthi akabizwa ku national team. I think he says I've been doing so much for Cape Town City just to show ku national coach ukuthi I'm the best. Ngiyakwazi ngakhona ukudlala ibhola, and nami vele I'm saying Cupido is one of the best defenders South Africa aka produced, but it's not kind of ibad nje analo ukuthi hayi angeke into azoyenza. But namhlanje mangibuka the way we played, I think a coach must continue with what he's doing. Ukuthi anga change izinto. I heard we were discussing la ngaphakathi ukuthi why he's playing Primitiva ka left when by the Sundowns esedlala midfield. I think he understands Primitiva ukuthi why amdlalisa ka left yabo, but he must continue doing lento ayenzayo ukuthi ama players maye awadlalise la abona khona ukuthi anga keep best out of them yabo. So into enhle leso we can compete for it ening. I think ku World Cup we would qualify. I'm telling you, we'll qualify for World Cup. AFCON in Jobadla, AFCON qualifiers is a qualifier.
Sure.
And we will go for more with AFCON. I think AFCON this time, Amatima Manning has also born with South Africa. It's one of Amatimo Mowa Planela Uben structure. It's clean, especially Amatima Jango Nigeria. Nigeria Jangamajis as a pants. Many teams, even in Morocco, they failed to score against Lesotho. They scored in the last minute. Akona individual brilliance ka le mchitalo Real Madrid Prime Diaz yabo ukuthi athatha ibhola angene boxini athi ngiyangena la washaya igoli. But ke ile nto le sidingayo ukuthi if amanye ama team la amakhulu aziwayo aphansi asingene thina sithathe everything, because I'm sure yabona South Africa ilithanda ibhola, but one thing enza ukuthi kubukeke ngazathi ama fans ahlehla kancane it's because of injenge Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo Kaizer Chiefs last time they played iderby. Iderby le yokuqala le yawina ngo-1-0. Yakhumbula ama-fans e-Chiefs ayingakanani? Ayemaningi. But le after Chiefs strugglish le sibili kwagcina ama-Orlando Pirates fans. Why? Because ama-fans e-Chiefs asenalento ukuthi why should I go to the stadium whereby Kaizer Chiefs will lose the game? Yabo. So manje if South Africa national team Bafana isinikeza ama-results every day, then sizoba ne-show ukuthi mina I can go to a stadium even noma kuthiwa dlala eCape Town, I can take i-flight ngihambe Cape Town because I know ukuthi ngihambele win yabo. So ile nto le South Africa yalithanda ibhola, ama South Africans ngikhuluma nje ngabo abantu abathanda ama team abo Orlando Pirates abo Kaizer Chiefs wonke ama fans alithanda ibhola, but there's something ukuthi why should I go to stadium if Bafana isinikeza ama-results? But now, if they continue like this, we will see with ama-fans as a South Africa lithanda kanjani ibhola, especially ku-national level. I heard Tabza ethi it is a rugby nation. It is a rugby nation according to him because i-rugby yasinikeza ama-results, yabo. Every time edlala uyazi ukuthi izowin, yabo. No matter ukuthi badlala kuphi, noma badlala la e-home, noma badlala away, but bazowin. So it's something esidingayo from Bafana. Noma sekuthiwa sebe-qualifyile for i-World Cup, masebe udlala e-America, sazi ukuthi there are some fans who are going there, basebenzisa imali zabo bayephesheya bayokwazi ukuthi babukele bayosupporta iBafana because they are giving ama-results, yabo. So it's something esidingayo kwi-South African football, kwi-national football le yethu le yase-South Africa. But going forward, I see a competing national team yethu masamba isikhathi, especially kuma-competitions afana nabo AFCON. But for manje ngizoyivala.
Man of the match.
Man of the match ngizoyinikeza uTebogo Mokoena.
Thank you.
Sharp.
Tangwara.